Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Sonja, and I just wanted to give you all an update. I had given a testimonial a few years back, and just want to let you all know how I'm doing. So I continue to get my adjustments. I started out coming 3 times a week. Now I'm once a week, and I just want to let you know I'm still doing X-rays. I still have blood work completed. I still consult with Dr. Ray and the staff about ways to stay healthy. I'm no longer hurting as much or at all, but I still want to be preventative and still keep that going. I want to still encourage my body to heal itself. So I get reminders on how to keep toxins out of my body, keeping my healthy diet, and also exercising and staying active. And so, for those of you who are just starting the journey, I want to encourage you to keep going. I am now at year 6. So keep going. It's a lifestyle change, not a quick change. And for those of you who have thought about chiropractic care, I encourage you to really pursue it, as it is a long-term benefit and will help you in conjunction with all the other things you're doing to take care of your body. Thanks. Have a good one.